What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Watch with Solo. In this video we are gonna unbox Timewear men's analog watch with date and time functionality. Let's get started. Let's start unboxing. So again, this package is from Amazon. Inside the box we have the invoice. I brought this for 300 rupees. The actual price is 1999. And this is the watch box. Let's keep this aside. So this is, as I said again, it's from Timewear, which has the MRP and the SKU number. The SKU number is 231BDTG. This is the packing, how it looks. And we open it is protected with the protective foam and the watch itself. The watch is covered with the plastic layer with the foam again as a inside the box we have the user manual. Unfortunately, this watch doesn't cover any warranty. If you want extra warranty, you have to pay 59 rupees for 1 year extended warranty. So this tells how to start the watch. Let's start with the watch. There's a simple plain cover, and it has the dial lock. So this is the watch with the price tag. The brand tag. This is a stainless steel watch which has a day and date indicator. We'll unplug the dial lock and we'll set the watch. So this is the actual watch. It has stainless steel water resistant. And let's set the date. The current date and time is Monday 30th October 12:34. The dial is very smooth. It's not that engaging. The moment you start rolling it out, it keeps on moving the hands. And to change the date, you have to just give a subtle push. In the middle position. The middle position it's not that easy to hold. Yeah. So if you rotate clockwise, the date changes, and if you rotate anti-clockwise, the day changes. So today is Monday, and it is 30th Monday. And the time is 12:35. So the date, time and day is set. To tell more about this watch, this is again from Timewear analog day time functioning stainless steel watch. The dial color is in blue, and the dial diameter is 38 mm, and the thickness of the case is 8 mm, and the brand and the band width, the strap width is 22 mm. The maximum perimeter is 120 mm, and with the minimum parameter of 160 mm. So this is the back view. This has been 8 years on Amazon, which has about 3.8 average rating, with purchase rate of like 11,400 people have brought this on Amazon. This is water resistant. up to this is water resistant up to 30 meter in depth, and apart from that this has calendar functionality as we saw earlier, and it just covers the manufacturer warranty. This also has the double locking strap functionality. So let's try it on our hand. So this is the first lock and this is the second lock, and we flip this. So this is how it looks on hand. It's not that premium but looks good on hand. So that is all about this watch. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.